Good morning, students. In my earlier video, I told you about the expansions, how you are using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. There I showed you that the formula how to use in the sums. Now I am going to show you another formula which is called a plus b into a minus b. So, a plus b into a minus b. When we do it, okay, if you work it out, means if you multiply, then you will get this one. Okay. So, let me complete this one. This is actually minus twice ab plus b square. So, now I am going to work out, okay, this formula. Today we are applying this formula in some sums, okay. But before I use this formula, okay, I would like to tell you few more things what you should know, that when we multiply a, sorry, not multiplication, this is a square a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, okay. When we do it, then we get 2 a square plus b square. This is very important. This is one of the corollaries of these formulas. Similarly, a plus b whole square, when this sign becomes minus over here, a minus b whole square, then what does it give the result? Okay. In my thumbnail, I have already given this one, okay, as a question mark. But when you do it, okay, you will find that most of the things are cancelled and remaining portions are only 4ab. So, remember that this is applicable, okay, in working out some sums, okay, as a corollary of these formulas, okay, remember it. So, now today I am going to do a plus b into a minus b equals to a square plus b square formula. We are going to apply this formula in working out some of the sums. Let us do some sums. 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. When we work out, what we find? Remember that the formula, when we are applying formula, that this is the first term and this is the second term. So, this is the square of the first term, that is 2x whole square, minus this is the in between 2 minus. So, minus, and then the second term, that is 3y. Okay. So, what you are going to get? What you are going to get? That is, you have to work it out. So, 2 to the 4, 4x square here and minus 9y square. That is your answer. This is your answer. Okay. Remember it. Now, the second sum, if you take 3a by 5 plus 2b by 4. Here, this is the term we are using. Again, 3a by 5 minus 2b by 4. Okay. Here, you see this is the first term and this is the second term. So, what we will do? We will just do 3a by 5 whole square minus, this is the second term, 2b by 4 whole square. And when you work it out, what you are going to get? you are going to get 3 3s are 9, 9a square, 5 5s are 25, 25 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 b square, and this is also square 4, so 16. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. So now we are going to apply this particular formula in working out some of the sums. Okay, this is very interesting. If you see in that point of view, I am just going to give you something very interesting. Here I am writing evaluate 166 into 166 minus 134 into 134. So you are going to apply this very formula, remember it. Okay, this very formula we are applying, so it is written in this way. Okay, so now let us do it. So here, how will you do it? Okay, what formula you are using? You are using this one, that is a plus b into a minus b. Then you can see a plus b. Okay, if this is a and if this is b, okay, then this is a square minus b square actually. That means you can write 166 whole square minus again 134 whole square. Okay, and then you are going to get 166 plus, look here, plus the formula here, plus. Okay, now this sum becomes like this formula. Okay, now you are using 166 plus 134. This is one part, and 166 plus, not plus, sorry, minus, this is minus, absolutely minus 134. Then what are you going to get? You are going to get over here, if you do, it is 300, and if you minus it over here, then how much you are going to get? 32. Okay, and then your answer, if you multiply them, if you can multiply 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 6, so 9600, that is your answer. Okay, then another interesting thing I am going to work out, that is 0.78 into 0.78 minus 0.22, that is into 0.22. Okay, so over here when you do this one, then you can easily do as you have done the earlier sum. This is the first term, this is the second term, that is a and b. If you take in that way, then this is the square of this, and this is the square of this one, that is the second one. Okay, and when you add them 0.78, you are adding, you have to know the decimal. Okay, the knowledge of decimal is again important. Okay, so if you do not have enough knowledge about it, then you can see my earlier video of decimals. Okay, this is one part, and another part is 0.78 minus 0.22, and over here you are getting, once you do it, you are getting one whole, remember, one whole 0 0 in fact, okay, into, over here if you minus it, how much you are going to get? Just do it fast. I am giving you time. 0.56, okay, 0.56. So once you multiply, okay, then what will happen? Answer remains, okay, answer remains 0.56. Okay. So this is all about today's application of a plus b into a minus b wholes, a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, and I have also shown you how, when you conversely you can do it over here, how we can apply these sums are also done over here. So you now you need to practice these sums. I will do some more sums based on this corollaries, and I will give you in my video. So you, till then you subscribe the channel and wait for the new videos. Thank you very much, students.